Hello love, welcome to my channel or welcome back. If you are new here, consider subscribing if you like money. I like money and I think a lot of moms do. So if you're interested in learning how to make money or save your money that you already have, stick around on my channel. That's all we do here. Alright, speaking of things moms like Target. Who doesn't love Target? Now what were to happen though if 500 pounds of Target got unleashed onto your driveway? Stick around for this video if you want to see how that all goes down. I'm going to be unboxing a Target liquidation pallet which contains mainly furniture. So if you ever wanted to know what it would look like to unbox a liquidation pallet specifically from Target, this is the video for you. I'm going to be discussing where I got the pallet, what I paid for it, and then I will break down each individual item that was on the pallet. I'll unbox that for you, as well as discuss what the MSRP of that item is and what I expect to make by flipping these items. So see you in there. Okay, so I got this pallet from wholesaleninjas.com. I'm going to leave a link in the description so you can check them out. They're really cool. I emailed back and forth a little bit with them and decided that this would be the best fit. I did hear about them from another YouTuber. Hang on one second. 'Tis the season. Holiday cups. Okay, I'm a weirdo. Anyways, so I talked to them. I decided that would be the best fit for my test. And what I mainly wanted to do was get the pallet and sell the majority of stuff on Facebook Marketplace because I figured they're large items. They're going to be harder and more expensive to ship. So I want to see what I can move the product, how I can move product in my own small town. If that doesn't work, I will be resorting to selling them on eBay. Yeah, so we'll just see what happens. So here's a question I feel like a lot of people are going to ask themselves. Why is this a thing? So this specific pallet, if you go to the Wholesale Ninjas website, you'll see there's lots of different options. The option that I chose, it never even went into a store. Basically what happened was projections were off based on what they thought they would sell, and these items were no longer needed. Either like they were going to take up shelf space, or Target decided to pivot to sell something different. So these things, they literally never even went into the stores that they were contracted to go into. And so at that point, Target sells them to this company who packages them up in a fair way and sends them to me. So basically, I ordered it online and the pallet got delivered to me, and I vlogged the entire thing for you guys. So I hope you enjoy it. I watched like a million of these types of videos before I even ordered this pallet, and I just thought it was so cool. So yeah, I can't wait for you to see what I got, and thank you so much for being here. Good morning, guys. I am sitting on my couch right now waiting for a call from UPS Freight. I'm getting a freight shipment delivery to my parents' house, which I'll get into. But I'm getting a shipment. It is a pallet of Target overstock goods from wholesaleninjas.com, and I'm so excited. We live on like a really windy country road, so the 18-wheeler can't come to our house, so I'm getting it delivered to my parents' house. So the driver is supposed to be calling me when he's 30 minutes out, and at that point I will hop in the car and go over there. I'm gonna vlog the entire process with my new camera, and yeah, I just can't wait to see what's on it and just see how this entire thing goes. I'm a little nervous, but yeah, we're gonna figure it out, and I hope you guys are all having an amazing day. See you soon. Hey you guys, so this is the pallet. So this is in my parents' driveway, UPS delivered this pallet UPS freight just like this. So we're gonna start cutting the plastic off and see what's inside. Super exciting. Okay, you guys, so after we unwrapped everything and put it in my husband's truck, we brought it home. Now, everything fit in the truck, so one of the things we don't have here for the video, and that is this tufted rollback chair and an MSRP of $170. It's so gorgeous. The next thing is my favorite item. It's this bar cart. So this one retails on Target.com for $150. It's brass and it's got glass on it, and it is just so gorgeous. If this one doesn't sell, I'm definitely keeping it. And then moving on to this big box right here, we have the Morpho swivel armchair in a velvet, crushed velvet blue. And it is so gorgeous. I think this would make like the best like girl boss office chair. This one is the blue. It also comes in green and pink on the Target website. And this one retails for $300. Okay, you guys, so you're currently in my very dungeony, unfinished basement where we will look at the rest of the boxes. I could have dragged them all upstairs, but I just didn't feel like it. So this first thing is a painting set. It is an MSRP of $50. Now, this is just based on other painting sets, so this one isn't actually listed currently that I can find. So yeah, this one is worth about $50. And then we've got in the next box Carlisle backless swivel bar stools. There's 2 of them and they are in matte white. So I will leave this picture right here. And these ones went for $145 was the price that I found online for these. Right. So sometimes there's like I'll show you on like this box that like the bar cart was in. Like sometimes there's that nice tag and then sometimes it doesn't exist. So like I had to just like scan the barcodes and stuff. Okay, so this one is the Copley bar stool in black. This is like a super cute plastic matte black bar stool. This one only came with 1. And then let's see what we have next. So, get this one into the light a little bit more if I can. So this one is the Threshold Rumford 29-inch bar stool in patina gray finish. This one is really pretty too. This is just a single. And this one had an MSRP of $90. And then we've got, oh, I think I forgot to say this Copley black bar stool had an MSRP of $70. And then coming over here, yes, this one is, let me just lift this up. So this one is a table lamp. It's super cute. And this one retailed for $56 on the Target website. And then this trampoline was not, this is one of my daughter's Christmas presents. This was not part of my haul. Let's see what is next. Okay, so looks like next we have the Halifax Farmhouse wood bar stool in brown. And this one doesn't have like a tag on it, so I just had to like look it up by the barcode. This one is going for $65. And then let me just move these around. Okay, so this one is called the E-Wing counter stool in the dark walnut finish. That is the finish of the legs, but it's actually like a gray bar stool. And this one retails for $90. And then the other thing, this is the only kind of weird thing that came in the box. So this is like It's some type of stand that like Target stores had, like they put this stuff on a store display, and it was like, so it says Dave Matthews Band, Rhino's Choice, pair with Dreaming Tree Rosé. So Rhino's Choice, so it came with like a bunch of records and CDs, and then I'm guessing that the actual display had their Dreaming Tree Rosé on the display too. So it came with that. It obviously didn't come with wine, but it came with 2 records and 7 CDs. So I'm not sure if those will sell or not, but that's kind of interesting. So it came with 2 of these. I'm not even counting this in my totals because I just feel like I don't know if anybody's going to buy these. So yeah, so that comes to a total of $12.20. I'm including the 4 records that came in the Dave Matthews display box, the 2 of them. I really don't think CDs are going to sell, so I'm not even going to include them. But hey, leave me a comment below if I'm wrong or if you want any Dave Matthews Band CDs. Yeah, so that is my grand total. So let me think what you guys predict, if I'm going to be able to sell this fast, or if it's going to take a while, if I'm going to be able to sell it in upstate New York, Facebook, or if I'm going to have to list it on eBay. And let me know what you think like my margins are going to be. I'm super interested to see what you guys think, and then we will compare it all in the next video where I discuss what actually happened with all this stuff. All right, and that's a wrap. Thank you so much for being here with me today. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the thumbs up button and stick around. I will give you guys the final results of what I sold, what my experience was, how I did it in a video to come. Okay, ciao.